Hey, how was the trip?
Views were incredible. The people were friendly.
And the climb?
I left him speechless.
Agent Graves. My best.
And her husband?
Civilian.
Hey, you. I missed you.
Doesn't know who she is. It's the only family she has.
David? Where's my husband?
There's a file. Canary Black. You're going to steal it from your agency. A word of this to anyone, and you're a widow.
What is Canary Black?
We built it as a digital nuke.
Even if you had the file, you couldn't make the exchange. You know that.
Make 'em sweat,
I didn't betray my country.
never forget.
The agency is my life. But I can't lose him. You're crazy. I need to know what's on this now.
I want every agent on the case.
Never forget.
Tear this city apart and find her.
Mask. Control the decibel level of your voice.
You're a crazy bitch.
We're not really using that word to describe women anymore.
Once we get Canary Black, I'll have my revenge.
If it's launched, there is no way to undo it.